Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can verify your email address in the Bluesky application. So let us dive into this. Open the Bluesky app, be it on your iPhone or Android. And what you want to do next is tap on that icon here in the top left corner and access your account settings by tapping on settings here to the left. And inside your account settings, tap on account. Now on the next page, you will see the associated email address here at the top. And if your associated email address has already been verified, you will see a checkmark icon like that here to the right. However, if that's not the case, you will see a notification below the associated email address asking you to verify your email address ASAP. So simply tap on it if that applies to you. After that, Bluesky will send you a one-time confirmation code to the associated email address. So make sure that you have access to the associated email address's inbox. Head over there, open the confirmation email, copy the verification code, head back to your account here in Bluesky and simply enter the verification code here to verify your email. And that's basically it, guys. Super simple as you can see. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.